Terras House by Taguá Arquitetura in Brazil. Located in the interior of São Paulo state, Terras House has 650 square meters of built area, with a hybrid construction system in reinforced concrete and steel. On an uphill plot, the client requested a single-story house with visual and spatial integration of the environments. Thinking about the client's request, the architects divided the residence into several blocks. A block located on the east side where the intimate area is concentrated, a central block, with large spans and a roof in a metallic structure covered in wood that houses the living room, and on the face to the west is the garage, which has been positioned in a way that favors privacy. And further down the lot is another block where the kitchen and service areas are located, as well as the gourmet area, forming a U-shaped plan. These blocks are connected by glazed walkways, where you can see a garden at every moment. The large metallic roof of the social area has some full and empty spaces, where gardens are concentrated. With the exception of the facade, which is practically blind, all the other faces of the social area have glass facades, allowing the visual integration with these gardens. The facade of the residence is practically completely blind, thus allowing greater privacy for residents. The front wall of the house is entirely clad in soft stone, which together with the wooden lining of the roof form a composition of natural materials. The way all the blocks were arranged created a central garden that connects all sectors of the residence, forming a nucleus. Steel, wood, and glass create the materiality of these spaces, always integrated with the landscaping. The living room is interconnected with the kitchen and the gourmet area through a metal roof with glass closure and slatted breeze. The gourmet area has a metal roof, supported by 4 pillars, completely integrated with the garden and pool. The project as a whole favored open and transparent spaces, precisely so that the residents had spatial and visual integration. The gourmet area was arranged in such a way that there was integration with both the pool and the central garden of the residence, visually integrating with all the open areas and also with the social area through the central garden. The hybrid construction system allowed for the agility of a large part of the work, in addition to enabling the execution of large spans with slender profiles due to the use of the steel structure in the living room, garage and gourmet area.